Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and easy cranberry salad. For this recipe, you're going to need one package of fresh cranberries. I'm just going to give these a rinse and then I'm going to put them in my food processor. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements listed in the description box below for you. Aren't these cranberries just gorgeous? They just look so pretty. So I'm just going to put these in my food processor and I'm just going to pulse this until they're coarsely chopped. This is one of the things I look forward to every year for Thanksgiving. And by the way, this is not my recipe, this is my husband's family recipe. They said I could share it, so I'm sharing it with you guys. But it's just so good. Once you make it one time, you'll be making it every year, I promise you. Growing up in Belize, we didn't celebrate Thanksgiving, but since I got married and moved to the States, I adopted the tradition and I've been celebrating it ever since I moved here. When you're doing this, make sure you get a big bowl because it will be a lot. It doesn't look like a lot right now, but by the time you add everything to it, it will be. Just so you know, this is a recipe you have to start the day before Thanksgiving. It's not a hard recipe, but it takes time. There are different steps to it, so you have to do it the day before Thanksgiving because you have to refrigerate it overnight. Now that I have my chopped cranberries in the bowl, to that I'm going to add 2 cups of white sugar and 1 can of crushed pineapple. And make sure you get the pineapple in the juice and not the one in the syrup. Give that a mix until everything is combined. My hubby said this was always one of his favorite things to eat when he was growing up. Every year Granny would make this for Thanksgiving and Christmas and he would just eat bowls and bowls of it. He just loved it so much. So sad Granny is not with us anymore, but she will always be in our hearts and we love you and miss you, Granny. Now I'm going to add 1 package of mini marshmallows to this and then I'm going to stir this one last time and then cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator overnight. So the next day, bright and early, before you do anything else, you'll want to get your Jell-O ready for your cranberry salad. You'll need 1 package of cherry Jell-O and 1 package of lemon Jell-O, and you're going to dissolve this in 1.5 cups of hot water. I used to have a different measuring cup that I used to do this in, and I got rid of it and I completely forgot that this one is smaller, so it almost didn't fit. I was so glad it did though. It made a little bit of a mess, but thank God it was okay. After everything is dissolved, you'll want to set this aside and let it cool down completely. While that's cooling down, I'm just going to go ahead and chop my nuts. For this, you're going to need 1 cup of chopped pecans. When your Jell-O is ready, you'll want to go ahead and whip 1 pint of whipping cream. Like I said, this is not a hard recipe, it just takes time. There are a lot of different little steps to it. Before I add the other ingredients to this, I like to just go in there and stir it up a bit. Now I'm going to add my Jell-O mixture to that. I'm going to add the chopped pecans and then I'm going to stir that again. And the very last thing I'm going to add is the whipping cream. Stir that really well until everything is combined, and then cover it with plastic wrap and put it back in the refrigerator to chill. This needs to be in there at least 2 hours before you serve it. I love everything about this cranberry salad. It's a little bit sweet, a little tart, a little crunchy. It's just perfect. So finally, this is what it looks like when it's ready. Oh my goodness, I wish you could taste this. It's so good. If you make this recipe, please come back and let me know what you think. And you can tag me on Instagram and Facebook. All my socials are Cooking with Shirani. I share a lot more personal stuff on my Instagram story if you want to follow along. I would love to know if you try it out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I hope you have a happy and blessed Thanksgiving. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.